All right. Get the GNS warmed up here. Flip the car. Flip it around. Not the sharpest tool at turning airplane in the whole world.
Paine ground, Mooney 91570 here at the West Condos, westbound with Foxtrot, flight 02.
Mooney 91570, Paine ground, runway 34 left at Alpha 7, taxi via Echo Alpha, flight of 2.
Okay, Mooney 570, flight of 2, Alpha 7. 34 left.
Lost my pen. There it is. All right. Start at 1220.
Hey, Paine ground, flight of 2, Mooney here. Do you mind if we take full line?
Mooney 570, full length approved, runway 34 left.
2865.
570, taxi full line.
Temperature 3, dew point 0, altimeter 3032. Visual approaching use landing at departing runway 34 left and 34 right. Advise on initial contact, you have Foxtrot.
Got Foxtrot.
And Paine ground, there's a decathlon that's going to come out of the fuel island. Could you just tell them the other two are we're heading out? We'll meet them.
See that decathlon? Not even turned on yet.
That was the 570 flight, just waiting on your decathlon, is that correct?
Yeah, we got a feeling decathlon there. Just want to let them know that we're probably just a park. You can come catch up.
No problem. And Navion 94 Charlie, was that you calling up outbound?
Not yet, but I was just getting ready to call you. Navion 14 Charlie, we'd like to taxi for southbound departure.
Navion 94 Charlie, Paine, ground runway 34 left at Alpha 5, taxi via Charlie Alpha.
Charlie Alpha to 34 left, 94 Charlie. Double check everything. I just flew it, so I'm going to kind of skip a run up, turn everything on, ready to go. On, landing lights on. All right, let's call tower, which is of course 13295, huh? 3295. Call. Paine Tower, Navion 4294 Charlie, holding short 34 left at Alpha 5 for southbound departure.
And Navion Alpha 5 state, call sign?
It's Navion 4294 Charlie.
9249 Charlie, Paine Tower, runway 34 left at Alpha 4. Correction, Alpha 5, clear for takeoff, make a left downwind departure to south.
Sure, clear for takeoff at Alpha 534 left, and it's 4294 Charlie.
9294 Charlie, roger.
Paine Tower, Mooney 91570, ready to go at Alpha 10, flight of 2, westbound.
Mooney 91570, flight, Paine Tower to 34 left, full length, line up and wait, Cirrus in the downwind.
All right, let's get this thing off the ground.
Flight of 2, line up and wait.
Cirrus 8 Papa Charlie, flight of 2, holding in position, full length.
8 Papa Charlie.
Number 57 Sierra, runway 34 left, full length, clear for takeoff to direction, correction, left downwind departure to the west, approved.
Okay, Mooney 570, flight of 2, clear for takeoff.
Cirrus 8 Papa Charlie, runway 34 left, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and goes, 34 left, 8 Papa Charlie.
Let's turn our left, southbound departure here.
Paine Tower, Mooney 570, flight of 2, request just 90-degree westbound.
Number 57 Sierra, approved as requested.
570 flight.
All right, let's get the gear down. Let's get a beam the numbers first. There's my car down there. Looks like no one broke into it. Actually, I can't tell. Obviously, a little too high. That was dumb. Alright, carb heat. Power. Hydraulic power's on. Below 100 miles per hour. Gear down. 2, 3 greens. Looks good. Push that carb heat back in. Doesn't run very well with the carb heat out. Port Orchard traffic, Navion 14 after Charlie, turning final, runway 36, full stop, Port Orchard traffic. Not the best landing. We're on the ground alive though.